The Habitat by HotHed. The Habitat by HotHed is a flexible, adaptable, and mobile welding isolation chamber that is designed to make performing welding or any other type of hot work in classified areas safer and thereby reducing the need for production shutdown. Mainly used in the oil industry offshore operations, it can adapt to any application where hot work in sensitive areas is needed. The Code of Federal Regulations states that equipment in classified areas located within 35 feet of hot work needs to be protected to avoid the risk of ignition. Furthermore, regulations prohibit hot work within 10 feet of live equipment or piping unless production is shut in. Such regulations mandate companies to shut in wells and equipment and therefore defer or even lose production to allow for construction, modification, or repair work. However, deviations from the code are permitted if certain safety guidelines are followed. The HotHed Habitat Welding Isolation Chamber provides the safety needed to perform hot work in classified locations. It physically isolates the hot work site. It also maintains positive pressure within the welding isolation chamber, preventing dangerous gases from entering. It is constantly ventilated by use of pneumatic blowers that bring air from unclassified or safe areas into the welding isolation chamber and exhaust welding fumes to a separate unclassified or safe location. The air exchangers in the HotHed Habitat surpass the required exchange of 1 volume of air every 5 minutes, assuring the safety of personnel working inside. The use of the Habitat in classified areas provides the safety needed to avoid the need of equipment shutdown, thereby preventing loss of production. The Habitat is easy to set up. The isolation chamber is assembled by panels that zip and adhere together, creating the walls, floor, and roof needed to isolate the work area. Once assembled, the pneumatic blowers are activated and air from an unclassified area is circulated within the isolation chamber, creating a positive pressure barrier. The Habitat is secured to its surroundings with rope to ensure its stability. Existing piping, beams, or installed scaffolding can easily provide the needed support. A rigid door is installed for easy access and exit under normal operations. A panel emergency exit is placed on a wall opposite to the door to provide alternative means of escape in case of an emergency. However, any panel can be made an emergency exit by unfastening it. Window panels allow visual access. Finally, the floor of the Habitat is covered with thermal blankets to provide protection from slag or any welding residues. The HotHed Habitat is ready for operation.